So those that have been listening to this podcast, my rants over the past couple of years, you'll know that I'm not the biggest fan of Tokeet, the PMS provider, but they are one of the biggest PMSs for the serviced accommodation market. I've got reasons why I think that is, but it's not for today. But I have always wanted to fix their booking engine. It's a big pain point of mine and a big annoyance of mine and a pet peeve of mine when I see that the most important part, I believe, of a PMS provider, property management software, is the online booking section. It is the section that where your future potential guest will go and make a booking with you. And there's a couple of PMSs out there, Tokeet being the biggest one, where they have never fixed it. It has always been not the best on mobile. It's always been clunky. And for us who do website design, we've created a website, and then as soon as a user goes to book now, it always takes them right back to the start of the booking process. And for me, I was always saying, listen, a guest will come on to a Boostly website, they'll put the dates that they want to stay, they'll find the location that they want to stay in, they'll do all of the things, and then when they click on book now, it just takes them straight back to the process, and it confuses them. And as we know, when you confuse, you lose. And the stats that I've been touting for years is that 87+% people, as soon as they have a bad user experience, they leave a website and never come back. So with the introduction of Boostly API, with the ability for us to really delve in and communicate directly with the PMSs, Tokeet being one of them, and fair play to Tokeet for opening up their API to us for this, we've been able to fix this problem. And I wanted to show you today a couple of examples. Now, the website I'm going to show you isn't a bad website. It's just the one that I could find. And I'm not saying that the website that I'm going to show is poor in any way, shape or form. It's just, I'm going to show you, this is a very common problem that Tokeet users have if they want to increase their direct bookings. So on the screen right now, we've got Service Living Liverpool. They've got a WordPress website put together, okay? And you've got all of these properties. They've got 50 apartments in 15 Liverpool locations, all of this jazz. Now, the problem that they have is that they are assuming that, number one, that their guest already knows at which one of these locations they want to stay at. So there's no map, there's no help. Like most of the time when somebody lands on this page, they know a certain area or a specific region of Liverpool, whether they're going to go to the football and they need to be up where Anfield is, or if they want to be down by the docks for the entertainment, for the night out, etc. You name it. They need to know the general area. But because of how the Tokeet website is set up and the booking engine is set up, they are very restricted that the only thing that they can do is have this little link here that takes them to the Tokeet booking page. And again, the Tokeet booking page isn't the best. It looks backwards to say the very least. Okay, so as soon as you hit the book now, you have to go and start that search all over again. And this is one of the problems that we had for years at Boostly, is when we were working with PMSs, the booking part always was the downfall. So with the API that we have created, and I'll show you an example now. So this is one of the newer Boostly websites. It's Unique Apartments UK. They've got hundreds of units all over the United Kingdom. As you can see here, it's very spread out. So a guest will come on and they'll say, right, I'm going to Merseyside. I know my dates roughly are going to be, so that's my birthday. I'm going to go stay for a couple of nights. It's going to be me and Laura. And we're going to go and just kid-free nights, a couple of places. This is the place that comes up. We've got the map. We've only got one in Liverpool, so that works out well. I can click on here. And now we're in. Okay, now the cool thing is with the API is that already the availability is there. Okay, already I know that I can book in. Now, when I click on book now, instead of taking me right back to this very stage, what is going to happen on this site is that I can make a booking right there, right now, and I can register an account just like I would do in an OTA. I can make a payment there and then. It's all collected on the Boostly website, and it is fed directly into Tokeet, which is great. It means it keeps it all on the Boostly site. Everything from live rates, live availability, live pitches, all of that jazz is passed straight through to Boostly, and I can even complete the booking. Now, even if, like I mentioned a couple of episodes ago, even if I, for whatever reason, I don't complete the booking, but I register, then the ability there is to retarget, send emails out to try and get them back onto the page to check out X, Y, and Z. So this is how we are solving these problems. Tokeet is an example. There's other websites out, there's other PMSs out there that we're looking to do this for as well. And it is very exciting. The cool thing about all of this is that we're going to be able, for the first time ever, track revenue that's come from a Boostly site, which is really interesting to me. So again, if you have got a Tokeet website and if you are frustrated with the amount of direct bookings that are coming through, then I encourage you to get in contact. boostly.co.uk/WC. Come and set up a call. We'll walk you through how we can do something similar for you like we've done for Unique and other Tokeet clients. We're getting a lot of them coming to us now, and they are wanting to upgrade and they are wanting to get a more direct booking website. So that is today's episode. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you've got any questions, you know how to find me, mark@boostly.co.uk. And of course, if you want to go and book that call for a potentially new website, it's boostly.co.uk/WC. If this is the first time that you're stopping by, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share this in a Facebook group. Maybe go and share this with the Tokeet people. Show them what we're doing. I've showed them, but I need more contacts within Tokeet. So please do spread the word. Let more people there know about what we're doing. And share it in any service accommodation Facebook group you may be a part of. There are a lot of groups that a lot of people do actually use Tokeet. So please show them what we're doing. This is going to be how you increase your direct bookings. With the help and support of Boostly and with the training videos that we've got as well, this is how we are going to help you knock down on the over-reliance on Booking.com and Airbnb. So I'll be back tomorrow with another daily podcast. Until then, thanks for stopping by. As always, be proactive. Do not be reactive. And let's go get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.